They say the market gives you chances every day. But they don't tell you how it can take everything in a second. I chased F&O, dived into intraday, diversified till my gains evaporated. Bought hype, sold fear. Lost 15,000 rupees. Not in bad trades, but in charges. I then stopped gambling with the volatility and started investing with the vision. 60% in quality compounders, 40% in future-focused long-term bets. I stopped watching every stock, because not every company deserves my capital. Capital is like your legs, lose it, and you can't walk. Trade with profits, and never with your lifeline. The market offers infinite opportunities, but the wise don't chase all. They wait for one right one. If you are starting now, don't just learn to trade. Learn to survive.